How to convert ASP.NET MVC framework programs connected with an RDBMS to Python and deploy them to the cloud, even when incorporating AI, ML, and deep learning components into the architecture. Pradeep K. Suri, author and researcher. However, the conversion process will require significant changes to the codebase and the adoption of Python-based frameworks, libraries, and tools for AI, ML, and deep learning. Here's a general overview of the steps involved in converting an ASP.NET MVC application with AI, ML, and deep learning components to Python and deploying it to the cloud. 1. Understand the ASP.NET MVC application. Study the existing ASP.NET MVC application and its AI, ML, and deep learning components. Identify the models, algorithms, and data processing pipelines involved in the AI/ML tasks. 2. Choose Python frameworks and libraries. Identify Python frameworks and libraries suitable for AI, ML, and deep learning tasks. For example, you can use TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, or scikit-learn for ML and deep learning, and Django, Flask, or FastAPI for the web framework. 3. Set up the Python development environment. Install Python, the chosen frameworks, and the required libraries for AI, ML, and deep learning. Set up the development environment to match the configuration of the ASP.NET MVC application. 4. Rewrite the code base. Start by creating the necessary project structure and folders for the Python application. Then, rewrite the code base, converting the ASP.NET MVC code to Python and incorporating the AI, ML, and deep learning components using the selected Python frameworks and libraries. This includes translating the C# code to Python and updating views, controllers, models, and any AI/ML related code. 5. Migrate the database. If the ASP.NET MVC application is using an RDBMS, you'll need to migrate the database schema to a format compatible with Python's database libraries. Export the database schema and data from the RDBMS and import it into a compatible database system like PostgreSQL or MySQL. 6. Test and validate. Thoroughly test the converted Python application to ensure that it functions correctly. Verify that the views, controllers, and models work as intended and that the AI, ML, and deep learning components produce the expected results. Perform comprehensive testing to ensure data connectivity with the RDBMS. 7. Deploy to the cloud. Choose a cloud platform such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, and set up the necessary cloud environment, such as a virtual machine or container. Configure the cloud environment to host the Python application, taking into account the AI, ML, and deep learning dependencies. Deploy the application to the cloud platform following the specific requirements and deployment procedures of the chosen provider. 8. Monitor and maintain. Continuously monitor the performance of the deployed application, addressing any errors or issues that may arise. Maintain the system by applying updates, security patches, and enhancements as required. It's important to note that converting an ASP.NET MVC application with AI, ML, and deep learning components to Python requires expertise in both ASP.NET MVC and Python, as well as a strong understanding of the AI, ML, and deep learning frameworks and libraries being utilized. The conversion process may involve significant changes to the application architecture and design to align with Python-based technologies. Thank you.